Hello my loves, welcome back. Today we have a very delicious video, one I love to make 4 times a year. It is my FABFITFUN Fall Box unboxing. If you guys are on YouTube and you watch beauty videos, you've probably seen already that fall is upon us, that FABFITFUN has declared it fall, and they have sent us the fall box. Oh, I'm so excited. If you guys don't know what FABFITFUN is, it is a quarterly seasonal box that comes out 4 times a year. The goodies in this box are always amazing. I'm never disappointed from FABFITFUN. I'm so excited. Listen, I have a treat for you guys. It is a box that costs $49.99, but if you use my $10 off coupon, Samantha10, I'll put it in the description and somewhere here on the screen, it will save you $10 off your first box. It's so amazing. I am never disappointed from FABFITFUN. They have beauty, lifestyle, fitness, just fashion. Everything that I love is in this box. I'm so excited. I've seen teasers for it. I can't wait to rip it open and see what options I got. Thank you so much for FABFITFUN for partnering with me to make this video. I love you guys so much. This box is going to be epic. I'm so excited. And what's even better now is that FABFITFUN lets you customize your box. So you get to choose. I'm so excited. I'm like slapping myself in the face. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Let's pipe down. Relax, Sam, sit back, dig it open, get in it. Right. It's like early Christmas, guys, honestly. Early Christmas every time I get a FABFITFUN box. Alright, let me just move this. I have all this junk on my desk. I do this every single time, you guys. My twin is on the cover. Oh, Christina Applegate. She's so gorgeous. Honestly, ever since I was young, people would tell me I look like her. What do you think? Wait, let's redo it. No, right? Okay. I'll pretend a little. Okay, a little bit, right? I love Christina Applegate. She's so smart and savvy. I love her. Oh, I love that she's on the cover. Okay, so let's get going. I've got all my FABFITFUN coupons on the front of the box. Let's rip it open. Let's rip it open. We got some goodies up in here. First off, I see something from Glam Glow. Hello, Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. Alright, let's get to the portion of this magazine that tells you everything that's in here so we can just talk about it. This is the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. You get 2, which is awesome because I hate it when you get one thing and then you want a second one. You only had one. I mean, it's okay if you don't like it, but like if you get one and then you want a second one, it's like, now I have to run out and get one. Okay, so this is a value of $18. This mask activates into a tingling 3D bubble experience. We love that. What's the purpose of it? It detoxifies your skin, makes it a happy place. My skin loves to be a happy place. I mean, it tells me, it's like, Sam, I like to be a happy place. We all want to be happy, don't we? I see something crazy in my box. I'm so excited. Okay, next up, I see something from Pharmacy, Do It All Total Eye Cream. I'm a big fan of Pharmacy. I usually get their sheet masks. I have a lip treatment that I absolutely love. Let's see. This is, you could either get the Pharmacy Do It All Eye Cream, which is a value of $38, or you could get a liquid lipstick or a detox bath. So I'm actually really happy I got this because I am a huge fan of Pharmacy. So that makes me really super happy. I'm like ripping into the box like an animal per usual. Oh, I love that kind of wooden bamboo top. I'm not going to put it on my face because girls wearing foundation, but I will open it up. It has no scent. I'm going to put a little on the back of my hand just to check it out. It's very soft. It feels very soft. Wow. Yeah, definitely no smell, which I can really appreciate. I hate when face creams have fragrance because it's my face, you know, and then if it has too much fragrance, my eyes start to tear and they're not happy at all. And you know what I said about happy place. That feels great. I love a good eye cream because it just hydrates your under eyes. It makes you look just awake and fresh and makes you start the day like, yes, start the day like awesome moisturized eyelids. Okay, let's move on, Samantha. Okay, alright, so the next thing I see here is a Luna bar. This Luna Rica salted caramel nuts, which I can't have because I'm keto as hell. It says, take time for yourself and break into a perfectly portioned Luna rice bar. Unfortunately, I do not have any rice in my diet or sugar because I do the keto diet. So I won't be having this. It's organic. It looks amazing. I didn't want to eat it so bad, if truth be told, but I will be giving this to Matt. You can keep this in your bar. You can keep this in your bar. You can keep this in your bag. I want this. I want this so bad right now. I am so hungry. Let's move on away from the food because a girl is having an issue right now. This is the Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant in pink grapefruit. This is a value of $67. I needed a new, like a new exfoliant. I ran out of my Dr. Brandt, and it's been weeks since I haven't done like little derma exfoliating. So I'm excited to get this. I really love the minimalist. I don't know if you guys can see. It's really minimalist packaging. I can really appreciate that. Oh yeah. Oh, it looks like oil paints. If you guys are painters, you know this is what oil paints looks like. It's got kind of that tinnish kind of foily thing. And you flip open the cap to open it that way. Whoa! Oh, don't come out too much. Oh! Relax. Uh-oh. It smells like patchouli. It smells like patchouli up in here. Okay. I don't smell the grapefruit. I do smell patchouli like crazy. I wonder if that's one of the scents in here. It says Grown Alchemist, so it wouldn't surprise me. Let's see if it's on here. There's a lot of ingredients in here, honestly, so I don't even know if I would be able to pull patchouli out. If I can and I see it, I'm gonna put it on the screen when I'm editing. Let's do a little field test. It's really exfoliating. That's super nice. Oh, and it's not like a wussy exfoliator. Sometimes when you get small facial exfoliators, I need like a little napkin. When you get small facial exfoliators, sometimes they're like kind of babies about it, and like the beads are so small and they don't like really get in there and like slough off the dead skin. I like it when it's like, yeah, I'm hurting myself and I'm really getting the dead stuff off my skin. I'm a little violent like that, truth be told, but I really like this. I'm excited to use it. Yeah, did I say how it costs? $67? It says gently massage into damp skin. Sam, take it down a notch. Don't get out your body sander. That's not the way it works. I see something that a girl can always use in here. It's a Beautyblender. Beautyblender, $20. Tip: before using, wet the sponge with water and squeeze out excess liquid. Yeah, okay. I love Beautyblender. I have a drawer filled with Beauty Blenders right here, you guys. Ooh, like I have so many. I have like every size available. It's just, I have a ton. I have blue ones, I have black ones, I have white ones, I have pink ones. I can always use these because they are amazing. It will go right into my drawer. So when my new Beauty Blender dies, I have another one. Hello Foundation, looking perfect. Their boss. Okay. There's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff in this box. Let's just say that. Next is by Skin & Co. It's a Blue in Capri Shower Gel. Gel douche? Gel douche. Maybe that's just shower gel for non-English. Okay. Yeah, it's obviously a shower gel, but that's just how they say it. I think, what is that, French? It's supposed to be French? Yeah, because it's US and Canada, so it's French. Okay, it's a multi-purpose shower gel inspired by lemon farmers in Capri, Italy, with it is deliciously scented with wild sage, lemon, and alpine rose. You can use it as a bubble bath or, ooh, can I smell it? No, girl, you need to open up and let me smell you. Oh yeah, that smells really delicious. Smells so good. I need to take more bubble baths, but a girl doesn't relax enough, so we're gonna use this to do that. That is $22. FABFITFUN boxes are amazing. The best of them. And they're all full size. Headphones. What is this right now? I cannot even. My headphones are dead as hell. This is by Silo Cobra Bluetooth wireless earbuds in white or black. I got the white ones. Can you guys see? Let's see. Let's see if we can fool the light into sharing you. These are amazing. So they're Bluetooth. They've got the on and off for the phone. It wraps around the neck. Let's just open these. Let's get these puppies open. I love me some headphones. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these. Too. They're like a good size. They're not all like, oh, we're scared to like go into your ears. No, I like that. Oh, how much are these? How much are these worth? $40. Booyah is all I'm saying. Booyah to these earbuds. I'm loving it. And they give you extra padding and the plug to charge them. That's fab. This is what I'm talking about with FabFitFun though. Like, you get so many amazing products. Everything is boss, and it's like nothing is like, oh, look at this crappy thing I have to pawn off on somebody. Everything is always good. All right. So the next thing I have here is, oh, so if you don't get the earphones, the earbuds, you get an umbrella, which is pretty cool, actually. What is this? I got a teapot? Oh my god. Ceramic and stainless steel teapot. This is crazy. Is this the Alfred Teapot? Okay, so you can either get a teapot. I'm trying to open this with my fingernails, which are softer than pudding. You either get a teapot, which is $26, or you get a French press, which is $22. This teapot is absolutely stunning. Oh my god. Open immediately. I need you. I need you to, oh my god, you guys. It's so pretty. Oh, look at you, little baby. Oh, and you can put, you put actual tea leaves in there. So it's just not for water, it's actual teapot. I'm a little teapot, your hands down. Oh, is it talking about the teapot or talking about me? This is absolutely stunning. FabFitFun, man. Oh yeah. This is so pretty. I love the color too. You guys know I love flowers. Like, I have flowers tattooed all over my body. So anything with flowers on it, I'm a sucker. Okay, so it looks like we have 2 more things in here, which I don't understand, like, can't stop, won't stop. The next thing is Simply Whimsical tea towels. This is a set, features 2 playful gray patterns that were sure to perk up your mood every time you're in the kitchen. So random, right? Like, teapot, tea towels. Awesome! That's so great! Like, FabFitFun, why are you giving me towels? Are you telling me I need new towels? Well, you obviously know me very well. Hello. These are really pretty. Oh, I love that. I have new teapot, new tea towels. My kitchen is gonna look so pretty later. That is a value of $14.99, so great value. Looks like we have something amazing to end up this unboxing. We got a Vince Camuto tote bag. Alright, so secretly when I saw people getting the FabFitFun box, I was like, I really don't want the crown brush set. I really don't want the crown brush set because I have so many brushes, you guys. Like, you know, I'm a beauty-aholic. I have 1,000 brushes. I'm always giving away brushes. So I wanted this tote so bad, and I love Vince Camuto. I love him. My 2 favorite pair of wedge booties are Vince Camuto. Oh my god. And it matches this bag. It smells so delicious. It is, let's see, it says comfortably carry your everyday essentials in this giant tote. It features a soft interior and hanging slip pocket to store your keys, lip balm, and more. This is a value of $128. $128. Hello FabFitFun, you are crushing it. Unbelievable. The brush set would have been worth $75. I am so much happier I got this tote. Oh my gosh. I can put, look, I'm going to put all my little products that I got today from from FABFITFUN in here. Look, it all fits. It all fits. The towels fit. The Luna bar that I have right now fits. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Oh yeah, my black wedges. Oh my gosh, my black wedges would match this. It is so stylish and sleek. I love this tote so much, you guys. I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with it. Thank you, FABFITFUN, for sending me the best box I think I've ever gotten from you. Ever, ever, ever. If you guys are interested in signing up for FABFITFUN, please check out the link below. This was literally the best box I've ever gotten from them. Everything is totally knockout. The teapot, the freaking bag. I wish I could eat the Luna bar, the Beautyblender. Everything was amazing. If you guys can get your hands on it, definitely go for it. I highly recommend it. I'm blown away. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I sure did. I for real did. Like, this, like, so good. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. I'm sorry if I'm a little crazy enthusiastic, but I'm just that excited. If you like this video, yeah, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're interested in FABFITFUN, check out the link below. Don't forget to use the coupon code Samantha10 for $10 off your first box. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.